Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best happy birthday crown is probably one of the most iconic and joyous accessories to elevate any birthday celebration, instantly transforming the wearer into the star of the show and adding a touch of regal flair to the festivities, making every moment feel extra special and memorable for the birthday person, regardless of their age. Number 5. Zonon Birthday Headbands and Sash Set, Gold. Make your birthday unforgettable with this elegant headband and sash set. Designed to make you feel special on your big day. Crafted from high-quality alloy and satin fabric, this set is built to last. Keep them for future celebrations with simple care. Whether it's a sweet 16 or a milestone birthday, this set is perfect for any celebration. Use them as fun photo props too. The sparkling, happy birthday design ensures everyone knows it's your special day. You'll be the center of attention. Designed for a comfortable and secure fit, this set is suitable for most women and girls. It also makes a wonderful gift. This package includes one dazzling headband and one stylish sash. Together, they create a truly memorable birthday experience. What we like. This set offers a complete and reusable celebration package. The satin sash and durable crown are designed for multiple uses. If you're looking for a long-lasting and eco-conscious option for various birthday milestones, this is a great choice. What people say. The crown is well-made and durable, perfect for repeated use. It's lightweight and comfortable to wear, even for extended periods. The design is elegant and eye-catching, adding a special touch to any birthday celebration. Number 4. AOPRIE Birthday Girl Headband. Make her birthday extra special with this beautiful headband. It's the perfect accessory for any princess celebrating her big day. This tiara is designed to make her feel like royalty. It's a stunning piece that adds a touch of sparkle to her celebration. Whether for a woman or a young girl, this headband is a delightful gift. It's suitable for anyone who wants to feel like a birthday princess. Featuring a charming princess crown design, this accessory is sure to impress. It's crafted to be both elegant and fun. Adorned with sparkling rhinestones, it catches the light beautifully. This adds a glamorous touch to her birthday outfit. The elegant gold finish complements any party attire. It's a sophisticated choice that enhances her festive look. What we like. This option provides a dazzling and regal appearance. The rhinestones add a significant sparkle, perfect for a princess-like feel. If you desire a truly eye-catching and glamorous look for your birthday, this tiara is ideal. What people say. The crown is adjustable and fits comfortably on different head sizes. It's made of durable material that doesn't bend or break easily. The glitter design is eye-catching and adds a festive touch to any birthday outfit. Number 3. Birthday Queen Sash and Tiara Kit. Make her birthday unforgettable with this elegant sash and tiara set. It's the perfect accessory for any birthday celebration. This stunning kit includes a beautiful sash and a sparkling tiara. It's designed to make the birthday queen feel truly special. Whether it's her 21st or 30th, this set is a fantastic gift idea. It adds a touch of glamour to any milestone birthday. Featuring chic gold glitter with bold black lettering, this accessory is both stylish and eye-catching. It's a beautiful way to highlight the guest of honor. Elevate your birthday party supplies with this must-have sash and tiara. It's the ideal way to complete her birthday look and create lasting memories. Looking for the perfect birthday gift for her? This sash and tiara set is a thoughtful and beautiful present that she's sure to cherish. What we like. Make a statement with this birthday queen set, featuring bold glitter lettering. It's specifically designed to highlight significant birthdays like the 21st or 30th. If you want to clearly announce your royal status on a milestone birthday, this is the perfect accessory. What people say. The crown is very sturdy and well-made, perfect for a birthday celebration. It's adjustable, so it fits comfortably on different head sizes. The design is elegant and sparkly, making the birthday person feel special. Number 2. AOPRIE Birthday Girl Crown and Sash Set. Make her birthday unforgettable with the stunning rose gold crown and sash set. It's the perfect accessory for a princess on her special day. Crafted with exquisite detail, the rose gold tiara adds a touch of glamour. The matching sash completes the regal look. Adorned with brilliant rhinestones, this headband shines and sparkles. It's designed to catch the light and draw all eyes to the birthday girl. This set is more than just an accessory, it's a statement piece. Let her feel like royalty with this beautiful, happy birthday ensemble. Complete her birthday outfit with this elegant crown and sash. It's the ideal way to elevate her celebration and create lasting memories. What we like? Embrace a sophisticated and trendy look with this rose gold ensemble. The combination of the tiara and sash offers a cohesive and stylish appearance. If you prefer a softer, more modern metallic hue and a coordinated set, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The crown is made of durable metal. It is adjustable to fit different head sizes. The design is elegant and sparkly, perfect for a birthday celebration. Number 1. Kercisbeauty Happy Birthday Headband Rhinestones Crown. Make your birthday unforgettable with this stunning headband. It's designed to add a touch of glamour and make you feel like royalty. Adorned with dazzling rhinestones, this crown headband is the perfect accessory. It's crafted to shine and catch the light beautifully. Whether for women or girls, this accessory is a delightful addition to any birthday outfit. Celebrate in style and comfort. Elevate your party look with this exquisite tiara. It's lightweight and comfortable, ensuring you can celebrate all day and night. Feel like a queen on your birthday with this beautiful silver tiara. It's the perfect way to add a touch of elegance to your celebration. What we like? This offers a classic and elegant sparkle with its silver tiara and rhinestones. It's a versatile accessory that complements many birthday outfits. If you're seeking a timeless and shimmering crown that adds a touch of glamour without being overly elaborate, this is a solid choice. What people say. The crown is adjustable and fits comfortably on different head sizes. It's made of durable metal that doesn't bend or break easily. The design is elegant with intricate details that make it stand out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.